Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock and let's identify how do we look at Tesla's price action going in this week. Should we buy or should we sell? Should we stay away from it? What to do? Let's take a look at through the lens of technicals on everything around that and let's get you ready for this big week on Tesla. Now, definitely none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing, okay? Now, if you have seen my video on Friday, right over here on Tesla, I did. The plan is working out just as how I explained to you, okay? And check out other videos as well, guys, if you are interested. Definitely, there is a lot more coverage on my Patreon for the members only. You can check out the details for that in the description of this video if any of that interests you as well. Now, what I said on Friday, I said that this is just a pullback. We wanted to see a confirmation on a particular structure hold. I'm on the daily interval right now. And I said that, hey, this is just a pullback in the near term, though we were intraday multi-day weakening, all right, from last 2 days. I've explained to you everything on Friday in that video. Now the pullback, is it completed? I provided you a certain area to watch, certain level to watch on Friday. And we saw a massive move from there on to the upside, my friends, right? We took out that level of 521 and 524 area. What happened? Like this is where I was like, yeah, above this structure is turning around and we will start to become this intraday multi-day cool off or negative short play that we were in intraday multi-day and overall pullback. That will mark itself completed. Now definitely if you have access to my tools, it's very easy to understand. This is another one I'm gonna really quickly show you on hourly interval. You know where to buy. This is where the target hit. We went red structure and this is where confirmation came back again. I'm just showing you on the hourly interval if you are doing swing trade intraday multi-day. My tools works on all the stocks, intervals, all the intervals of your choice. Go wild with my tools on any of the stock you want to trade with. Details are in the description below of this video if you are interested to have access to my tools, and definitely if you happen to join annual membership on the tools, you will also get 45% discount. These discounts are not forever. Anyways, decisions are yours. I'm just providing you choices here. Now, here we are. Now, what are we seeing when Tesla went up there, right? Well, we are seeing just a pivot and a pullback in a uptrend structure now because we came down again from 333, but that's still fine. We are still holding that very area of 324. Sorry if previously I said 524. I meant to say 324 and 333. I don't know what I'm thinking. So I was thinking maybe confusing with S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 there. Anyways, so yeah, it's all good. Tesla is overall structure pullback is already completed. I just showed you the tools, right? It just gives you everything right away in front of you what you have to do. All right. Now 5 minutes interval as well. This is use 5 minutes. I use it for the day trade. Now I showed you the tool on the hourly interval. You can use it, as I said, on any interval based on your trading strategy and interval you like. 5 minutes, which I use for the day trade. You can see how nicely, right? We got the confirmation of bullish play. This was a little bit of a cool off. That's fine. We stayed above the cloud. Bullish run. And this is where you take profits because structure is turning red. You can short back to the cloud. That's your choice. But I tend to only play one direction if we are above the cloud. If you are below the cloud, it's a short play. Anyways, again, you can pick your bias, but you can still, if you're doing scalp, you can still take these scalps. Anyways, my tool, as I said, tools helps you in identifying everything. Where are the areas to take the moves, to take the positions. All right. So at this point, what are we looking at? I'm back on the daily interval again. So we need to hold above that 524 and continue to hold above that. That's important. If we lose it, weakness will come back in again, right? So we need to hold above this zone of, why am I, sorry, if I'm said again 524, I don't know why I'm saying that over and over again. 324, 324 area is what we need to continue to hold, and as we continue to hold, we will be just fine. If we lose it, well, we have a room to touch down to 321. And above that, yes, definitely 324 above our bias continues to remain bullish. Taking out 200 hours moving average at this point with 333 is the area of a breakout. When I say breakout, we are already in an uptrend. It's just that it will open up the next leg up because it will put us above 20 days moving average. It will also put us above 200 hours moving average. And not just that, this is a near term, and that's why this blue box is there just to highlight the important level. And this is where we have had an important structural resistance. So once we take this out, we can again retest 367 area on Tesla. All right. Things are looking good. Structure is looking bullish. Tesla is looking just great. Okay. Anyways, that's all I had for you guys in this video. Not too complicated. And as yeah, so everything is just fine as per those levels as we hold. As I said, if we start to lose 324, there is some near-term weakness that can bring us down to some areas like 320 that I showed you on the hourly interval. Overall, I'm not too worried on Tesla as long as we don't lose this 200 days moving average area because we are there. But those are the levels to work with. Pullback is completed right now. I just showed you everything on the tools. Tools will give you everything in real time what you have to do, right? So if when the market is running, you are using the tools, and in real time, it will tell you everything, help you identify everything. Anyways, check out the details in the description if that interests you, as I said. All right, guys, that's all I had, and we'll see you in the next videos. Take care. Bye.